What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Be the Fish. We got off work a little early today. It's about 4:30-ish, and we're out on a smallmouth mission. We got the kayak out. We're gonna go chase our longest 5 fish today, see what we can do. Try to catch them up shallow, catch them deep. It's gonna be pretty easy fishing today. It's an easy time of year to catch these fish, so we're just gonna have fun and enjoy it. See what different things we can catch them on, and see how big of a bag we can put together. Come along, let's go catch them. All right, guys, so you can kind of see what we're fishing here. I'll pull you up on live. So there's this lip. You can see all those smallmouth. There's nothing to the right, but as soon as you get to this lip, loaded. Got a little static here, but you turn sonar off. Now that we got this going, we'll just see if we can putz around with these. There's a little lip, little plan B spot. We haven't hit the good stuff yet. Water's 50 degrees, so I'm hoping we can catch them on moving baits here. That would be ideal. But they're not really reacting to the jerkbait right now. They literally just swam away from the jerkbait, so we might have jinxed ourselves. You're saying that it's going to be easy. Go figure. Man, these fish are not liking the jerkbait today. Guess we're gonna write that off for now. Let's see if well, they eat the fruit side. I think the fruit side 7 should get right on that lip. I don't want to pull out the fairy wands yet. I love catching them on a fairy wand. I don't want to pull it out just yet. I don't have to. Well, they chased it. I don't know if that means they want it. They chased it. Guys, I mean, look at them. Look at them. There you go, guys. One, too small though. I'm not going for ones like that. I'm going for the big ones. The big kahunas. All right, you can see there's a little lip right here by this corrugated wall, and that's where we got that one off of. So we're just creeping this along. As soon as it hits that lip, it's usually when we get bit. Ooh, ooh, chasing it. Oh, come on. He was right there. Oh, oh, he was right there. Put it right on their face. I'm gonna tight line this one a little bit because they're so close. Something I want to work on today that I messed up at my charity tournament was the heads these swimbait heads and net heads that I am using for my swimbaits. It's a 5313 from Owner, which is a hook I really love because it pins them good, especially when I'm out dragging and creeping it. My issue is it's not a hook that you set with, it's a hook that you reel down and lean with. That's really where it excels, and I have to get out of the habit of setting up or out. I need to lean and reel, and I'm going to try to hopefully get a bunch of bites with it today and try to, you know, practice, get myself out of the mindset that I need to be setting the hook. You know, just trying to train myself to be a little better, because it's gonna help my hookup ratio, my land ratio, if I do that. So that's the plan for right now. Just trying to get bit on it, and they'll chase it. I just need to present it correctly to them. Oh gosh, there's a good one. There's a good one. Come here. Come here. Thank you, sir. Right off that lip. So that one I kind of set into as soon as I go and say it. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh boy, I got it choked. Hey, hey, hey. And the swim bait just fell out. So like I was just saying, that's probably why. But I also ate it right at the freaking boat. All right, let's see what we got. We got an 18-incher. Not bad. 18. See you later, pal. 18, that was probably a 4-pound fish, give or take. So we're having to just tick this thing on the bottom. I think one thing too that would help me a little bit is if I use a little bit softer rod. I love this medium heavy, or this, excuse me, it's a medium fast from Fenwick, but it's not as moderate as I would like. It's almost a little bit too stiff. I wish it would bend down the rod like one more guide, a little from an action standpoint. So I might go to a little softer rod, which usually I'm using a 7.6, which is what I really love to use. And that could be part of my issue too, but I do know with that hook, I need to just lean into these fish. Thank you, sir. Small one. Not the coin to after. I wonder if it's just the little ones pushed out here. Or pushed up shallow. I say shallow. Closer to the wall, I should say. Ooh. Thank you, sir. There's another one. Got the nursery. Got the dang nursery. Small. Is that a perch? That's smallmouth. Got the school fired up now though. Not big ones. Not the fish that I was thinking were gonna be here. I reeled, would you look at that? Set the hook the right way. It's a bigger one. It's not saying much, but it's a bigger one. Let's get you in the net here. Might be another 18. Parallel on the wall there. Barely had them hooked. I might be rocking with the 53/18s from now on. A little softer hook, but seems a little bit better. Let's see what we got. Not even an 18, 17 3/4. And the big girl, we came out here a couple weeks back and, well, not even, I think a week ago? Yeah, I think maybe a week ago. I can't remember. Long enough that it would make a difference. It wouldn't make a big difference, I don't think. There were big girls here. We had 26 pounds. I'm catching a lot of them. It is different. I wonder if they move forward or back. We're gonna check both. See where these fish might have gone. You guys see that one right there? That fish out there, in that corrugated wall. That's where we're trying to cast to right now. It's coming back. That looks big on live, dude. It looks big on live. That's a good one. It's a long one. Will help the cause. There's a bunch of them down there, guys. Let's see what we got. We got a 17 and 18. I'm gonna go and guess this one's gonna be about 19? 19 maybe? Let's see. Let's see. Yep. Right at 19. 19. Awesome. 19 incher. Sweet. Thank you, sir. They might just be pushed up on this wall. I got one. I got one on jerkbait. Oh, that's a giant. You got one? I got a giant. A mega.
Were you on the corrugated wall going into the canal?
Nope, I'm way in the canal.
You're way in the canal?
Yep, that's a 5.5 pounder, dude.
Yeah, they go back to that canal to spawn.
This thing's giant.
Nice. Hey, let me call you back. Tim's calling me.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No! Come on, dude. How do I keep losing fish like this? Gosh. It's weird, dude. He had 3 hooks. I don't get it. I don't know how a fish like that comes off, but that was a freaking, that was a giant. That was a 5.5, if not 6 pounder. Shoosh. Saw that sucker on live. I've been seeing stuff like that most of the time. I just haven't been able to get him to eat. Largy. Got a largemouth. Sniped that sucker. Come here. Well, this is much more fun than trying to scope these suckers with a little swim bait. There you go, guys, decent little one. It's a derp. Saw him come up on live. Thought he was a lot bigger than that. Wasn't a huge one, but probably another 16. I didn't really want to net him, but because I lost that big one on the jerkbait, I really wanted to just work on catching these fish. Like in regards to landing them. Seeing as though for whatever reason I'm having difficulty landing fish today. Well, I shouldn't even say today, recently. Recently it's been a struggle. So we're just going along this bank right here. There's a lot of cover around this bank. We're just going along with the jerkbait. Just being that big one came up and smoked it. Which I still don't understand. The thing had 3 hooks in it. I don't know how that sucker gets off. If I was a betting man, I would say that there's probably some fish on this. All the fish I've caught today have been off cover. That was good. Let's break the jerkbait while we're at it. That's how you want them to eat it right there. That is how you want them to eat it. Berkeley Stunner going to work. Ah! I'd rather you not. Should not have brought flip-flops to a jerkbait party. Give me a mouth. Thank you, sir. Thank you for not putting any hooks into my feet. There we go. There we go. And they're going. Sure. Not catching as I thought, because of the switch I made here, that running into that real big one, that 5.5, 6 pounder that quick, that was going to be the move to start finding the females. It does not prove that way. I mean, I like this bite more than the other one, I'll tell you that. It is not proving to be the change I thought I needed. No way, come on, dude. Oh, that was a giant. Gosh dang it, dude. It's a freaking giant one. That was a 5 pounder. Had the back hook of the frit side. That one just didn't eat it good. I don't know what else I could have done there. Freaking sniped that one on Mega Live with a frit side. Well guys, fun little session. Was not as good as I had anticipated. We lost 2 good ones, go figure. The best ones we had hooked up, we lost. Don't know what happened on that jerkbait fish because my hooks were still sharp. I had all of them when it ate. I don't know if maybe releasing some of my drag on that was part of the reason why I lost it, because I looked like I had 3 hooks in it, so I let my drag loose a little bit so the thing was running, because it was running hard. And it was a 5.5, maybe 6 pounder, because it was fat as heck. And I don't know, I came up under the boat, only had 1 hook left, and came off. Then the other fish, I literally watched it eat the frit side, and it only had 1 hook anyways. And that one, I think I should have let loose in the drag a little bit. I had it a little too tight, and I think it just popped out because it literally only had 1 treble hook in its mouth. So it is what it is. You know, these are learning lessons. This is why we go out, we fun fish, we fine tune things, and we strive to get better at our mechanics and the little technical things. It's not, the finding fish isn't really necessarily the problem for me right now. And neither is getting bit. it's the getting him in the damn boat. I don't know what it is, man, but we've been struggling lately. I think I need to stand up more, honestly. When I catch fish, I think one of the biggest things I'm gonna try now, as long as the conditions are allowing it, I need to stand up, because that allowed me a fuller range of motion to fight these fish versus having to twist and turn in the kayak. So hopefully that makes sense. All in all, fun little couple hours here on the lake, chasing some smallmouth. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends. We got smallmouth content, we got largemouth content. We're going back down south here a little bit soon, so we're all over the place. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Appreciate y'all. We'll see you on the next one.